kasi doon na yung full article, and then nakita ko kasi doon it's a first of 3 parts. So I deemed it best to wait for all the parts of the report to come out before I decide to comment if there is anything na worthy of a comment doon. Yes, totoo. Nag-reach out sila, but there was a reason kung bakit hindi ako sumagot. That's why also I'm waiting sa tatlong parts ng report. Tingnan ko lang kung meron din worthy na sagutin doon. Well, karamihan naman kasi doon walang baseless actually. So hindi namin sinasagot. Pero kung meron akong makita na karapat dapat na sagutin, then I will answer. Inaantay ko lang yung